Russia to build Project-75I Diesel-Electric Submarines in India. These subs will be equipped with air-independent propulsion technology. Under the project, full technology transfer of critical systems including AIP technology, sensors, communications and electronic warfare suites will be performed. The Project-75I Class Submarine is a follow-on of the Project-75 Kalvari-Class Submarine for the Indian Navy. Under this project, the Indian Navy intends to acquire 6 diesel-electric submarines, which will also feature advanced air-independent propulsion systems to enable them to stay submerged for longer duration and substantially increase their operational range as well as land attack capability. All 6 submarines will be capable of firing land attack and anti-ship cruise missiles.